You're watching CKWS News at Noon.
Good Thursday afternoon for Kingston today. Mostly cloudy skies. We do have some sunny breaks in there that we could see as well. And in terms of the temperature, getting to around 4 degrees, 3 or 4 degrees as the temperature high. And again, we do have some active weather overnight, some rain snow mix developing. But as you can see with our sky tracker here, parts of our region may see some flurries today ahead of the main part of that system coming through. So Brockville, Smiths Falls, you may see some snow, maybe rain snow mix, but really, as you can see, it's all that rain expected for Friday, for St. Patrick's Day. We're expecting up to 10 millimeters worth of rain accumulation for the Kingston area. Then Saturday, it calms down quite a bit. We do have some windy conditions we're expecting to kick off the weekend, and about a 60% chance that we could see some snow flurries sparsely throughout the day. And for Sunday, similar, although a mix of sun and clouds for the most part, and again about a 40% chance we could see some flurry activity to end the weekend. Belleville for you today, mix of sun and clouds in the forecast, high of 6, getting to 7 on Friday with mainly overcast skies and up to 15 millimeters worth of rain for your area. Then you can see the temperature takes a dip, getting to +1 for Saturday with some sunny breaks to kick off your weekend. Brockville, you could see up to 1 centimeters worth of snow flurry accumulation for your Thursday, but mostly cloudy skies. And again, on Friday, you're expecting some rain there, up to 10 millimeters worth, and Saturday starts to calm down, mix of sun and clouds for the most part in your forecast. Smiths Falls, potential to see up to 3 centimeters worth of some snow on your Thursday, getting to 6 for your Friday with again some rain in the forecast and overcast skies, dropping to 2 degrees to kick off your weekend, but some sunshine in store as well. Kingston's 5-day forecast here now showing us that really Friday we are expecting up to 10 millimeters worth of rain accumulation and overcast skies. Then on Saturday, some windy conditions we're expecting at this point, and the temperature does drop to +1. That gets even lower on Sunday to a high of only -1 degrees for Sunday, so chillier there, and about a 40% chance you could see some active weather. But overall, mix of sun and clouds to end out the week, and that's the same for Monday. Temperature getting back up to 3, but some chance for some sunshine to kick off next week.
Watching CKWS News at 11.
A bit of a wintry mix or spring mix. It will turn to rain for most of us, especially those communities farther south, closer to Lake Ontario. But there is a bit of a mix for some of us, and probably more so to the north and to the east of Kingston, looking at more snow and ice pellets and a risk of freezing rain. But primarily, this is going to be a rain event for the Belleville-Kingston area. And you may see it dip to flurries when temperatures are lower, but it's going to rise to seasonal or above that tomorrow. And as it does, you're looking at just shower activity. There is another secondary cold front with this, and as a result, we will see some flurries through your Saturday. It's only about 40 to 60% probability, depending where you are. A little troughing on Sunday will bring you some cloudy periods, but we're hoping that by Sunday, it'll just be a mix of sun and cloud. You've got cooler temperatures for the weekend, but up to 7 in Belleville tomorrow as you look at that rain, about 10 to 15 millimeters of rain before it wraps up near midnight tomorrow night. Brockville, a high 7 tomorrow. You've got about 10 to 15 millimeters of rain expected too, but you could also see about 2 centimeters of snow and ice pellets. There's that risk of freezing rain as well in the cooler periods working up to the morning and again tomorrow evening. Saturday, a high 1, mix of sun and cloud, more of the same Sunday, and cooler, a high of -2. Smiths Falls, you'll see 2 to 4 centimeters of snow and ice pellets mixed with showers through the overnight, 10 to 15 millimeters of rain through the day as it rises to 7, and then maybe some flurries through the evening. It should wrap up around midnight for you as well. Saturday, a high 2, mix of sun and cloud, only -2 Sunday for a daytime high, and a mix of sun and cloud as well. Kingston, your St. Paddy's Day is going to be on the wet side. We could see a centimeter or 2 of snow or ice pellets through the overnight, but that turns to rain very quickly. Nothing's going to stick. A high 5 as rain continues through the day, maybe mixed with flurries by nightfall. Come Saturday on the windy side, and a high of 1. You could see the chance of precipitation in the morning. We're hoping to see that wrap up by midday. Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high -1, and a mix of sun and cloud on Monday and Tuesday as we see seasonal highs of 4. Spring arrives Monday. For Wednesday, it's a high 4. The chance of mixed precipitation moving back in. More of the same for Thursday as it reaches 5 Celsius.